And first on the Kelly File tonight, a new ad released today by Americans for Prosperity features a Marine veteran who claims his private health insurance costs have gone way up because of Obamacare. He urges people in Louisiana to tell their Senator, Mary Landrieu, she is wrong about Obamacare. Listen.
I did 2 tours in Iraq. Because of my service, I was able to get a health care plan that worked for me. So I get a letter from my insurance company that said my insurance costs were going way up because of Obamacare. And, oh, by the way, you should be happy about it.
Chris Schiff is the Marine featured in that ad. Chris, thank you for being here with us. And so, obviously, you're not happy with Obamacare. I know that you say your costs have gone up. Let me just ask you, prior to Obamacare, what were you paying per month in your monthly premium?
So prior, I believe it was $126 and some change.
And now, under Obamacare, because your plan was canceled, you had your plan, you liked your plan, you couldn't keep your plan, and now what are you paying per month?
Now I'm paying about $295, almost $300.
Wow. And is the coverage better? Because they keep telling us that the coverage will be better, you're going to get more things.
No. Well, you get more things, but you're paying for things you don't need.
How is it not better? Have you lost any coverage that you had before?
Well, I haven't lost any coverage, but there's things that we're paying for that I can't possibly ever use.
So it's a matter of the cost, the increase in the premiums to you.
Correct.
Mary Landrieu has come out tonight and basically said that Louisianans know better than to believe you. They say, this is the full quote, she pins it on the Koch brothers who are putting out these AFP ads, and you're in one of them. Louisianans know better than to believe what they hear from the out-of-state billionaire Koch brothers. And she goes on to say that the Affordable Care Act does not affect TRICARE or VA health care services. So she's calling into question your claims.
You know, I'm glad you bring that up, because we're not saying that my veteran benefits were somehow lessened. I don't receive any type of veteran benefits. I don't qualify for TRICARE, nor do I qualify for VA benefits. So that is not even an issue. The issue is that I had a plan that I liked, that I could afford. It was canceled because of Obamacare, and now I'm having to pay more.
What do you make of her calling into question, you know, Louisianans know better than to believe what they hear in this ad? Basically, she's saying what you say.
You know, I don't know what to think about it. I think the people of Louisiana can make up their minds for themselves. You know, I don't think they need to be told what to think. And I think, you know, using a little common sense, they can make that decision themselves.
Why did you feel so strongly that you came out and took part in this?
Well, I thought it was important to get a story, you know, of a real person. You know, we see all these stories about people that, you know, have maybe pre-existing ailments or sicknesses, and how they're affected. But I never really saw anything about a normal person, a normal working class guy like myself. And when I had the opportunity, when the opportunity came, I was like, man, I need to do this. I need to get my story out there so that people can see real people are affected.
Do you think the president lied to you?
I think so.
It's tough. I mean, you're a Marine, you're in the Marines, and he's your commander-in-chief, and you feel that way.
Yep.
Chris, listen, thank you for your service.
Oh, well, thank you.
Thanks for being here.